All right. Yeah, a little Phaeton update. I said I would do this and I forgot to do it, so my apologies. Open the garage. This is not my car. This is well, kind of dating right now, but she's in Europe, so she's just using my garage space. The Benz is in the shop. It's broken. No surprise there, but it's kind of tragic. But anyways, update on this. All right, I got my retrofitted headlights installed. Let's see here. The bumper cover did sustain some more damage as I expected. Cracked here. Was it a giant crack here? But at this point, I really don't care because it's replacement. It has to be replaced anyways because there's like stuff missing back here. And I actually got this box for it right here. Here's a bracket that the bumper cover actually mounts to, and it has like the washer. See, it has the washer jet. Yeah. Pretty much any VW Phaeton will need this part on both sides. I shout out the part. This is the part number for y'all guys. And this is for the, well, as you're looking at the car, it'll be the passenger side in the US. In Europe, probably it'll be the driver's side. So, yeah, but these where the bumper cover kind of like slides on or whatnot. You'll definitely need it. But anyways, it's not what you're here for. But, alright. I got them all installed. And it's pretty neat. Alright. The auto level works. And let's see here. The high beam works just fine. And even wired the projector high beam to work, so it's kind of dual high beams. Alright. Yeah, I know. I need to buy some gas. And yes, the check engine light is for it's for the secondary air, which I'm not worried about fixing at this point. Oh, okay. Let me slide up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, Porsche shifter holding up just fine is actually a lot more convenient than I thought it'd be. I'm gonna keep it the Porsche way. Yeah, Pierce are mad, but I don't care. And then this little thing got lost, is in there somewhere, but at this point, yeah, it's whatever. And then also, as you notice, yeah, I got it registered in the state of Texas. So, it's legal and hiding. And I got past the check engine light like I did in Tennessee. Just clear the code. This is for secondary air. The part is unattainable. But yeah, here it is. I'm not sure the camera will pick it up. But yeah. Use pretty much LED bulb in there and the LED bulb in the high beam. Well, high beam spot. Same here. And the pattern is actually good, but I had to back up. I had to back up a little bit to get it more of the uniform pattern, but they're all together. It's just I'm so close up to the wall. And the fogs I left alone. I had some yellow halogens in there. It's fine. It doesn't put out much light, but if I want to, I can upgrade them, but it's no big deal. But the alignment, I kept the alignment from the previous from the previous the previous setting of these lights. I didn't change anything, so I'm not blinding anybody. So, and then this is kind of auto level and adjust anyways on hills and stuff. So it always appears lower than you need to be until you get up to speed, and then it kind of just raises up so slightly. So, but yeah, but see, these are actually pretty kick-ass at night. Yeah, so you won't have any trouble seeing. And the good thing about it is why I wanted to go with the LED is because changing out these headlight bulbs are beginning to be kind of high risk or whatever, and that was my test pilot for LEDs, and so far I haven't had any problems with LED headlights, and those have been on for a long time. And I put some in my bins just for test purposes also, and I wanted to see about the longevity. And yeah, snowstorm and cold weather and hot weather later, they're still alive and kicking, and no degradation in performance. These things, let me pull up my account, because for the low beams to work with the with our ballast, there's a part number that you can get. There's a part that you need to connect the that connects the the headlight bulb to the D1S, to the pigtail, and it pretty much connects to the back of a D2S bulb, and it's made by Valeo, so it works just fine. And the part actually came off a Volvo. It came off a Volvo, was it XC? I think it's a X60 or something like that. But it's on many Volvos. So let me see here. See if I can get some purchase history. Aha, here we go. And I only paid I paid $30-something shipped for this. Yes, I got this. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. I got this, and I got it from, yeah, I got it from here. So, yeah, but that's the part number you need, and it plugs into the existing wiring, because I had originally got some off of AliExpress or whatever. They didn't work, so I went OEM, and these actually are a champ. No problems, no nothing. Everything works as it should. So there you go. But you're gonna need two of those, one for each headlight, and that's it. I'm actually satisfied with the output of this, because you can actually see what's on the road pretty well. The lighting world will not like the fact that I put LEDs in here, but due to the fact that changing these light bulbs are a headache, and then if you do it the right way and take the bumper cover off, which is by the time you get it painted is $1,300. Yeah, you're not gonna want to spend $1,300 on one of those. So yeah, and low beam, it works pretty well. It's high beams where these alone kind of fall off, that I learned from my Mercedes. But these things right here in the middle, like, kind of negate that problem altogether. So pretty much these, yeah, you can see everything you need to see. So it's negated. So could I stuck with houses in the middle? Yes, but yeah, I just wanted it. So there it is. Yeah, but like I said, registered in Texas now, and I also did a thing. I made people, I guess, made the headlight, the taillight tinters, the anti-tinters happy. I took off the taillight tint on this, and I did it on this. I think it kind of looks better, more grown up, I guess. And I did take out the spoiler because the spoiler was faded due to it sitting outside, along with the roof, due to it sitting outside for all this time. But yeah, took out the taillight tint. Probably will not ever put taillight tint on another car again. And this stuff was hard to get off because I think the quality was not all that good. I got a heat gun and it was coming off in little pieces, so I'm blessed that it came off and it didn't take long to come off, but it just, to me, it was too much of a hassle to take all this stuff off. And then I have a feeling if it was paint, it would peel some of the paint off. This, the same way, like, it wasn't too bad. I got this all off in one piece, but with the heat gun, of course. Yeah, my advice to these people who wrap in their cars, just don't leave it on for too long. Because these I left on for like three-ish years. I think it's like 3. I did both cars at the same time. I think it was like, no, it's more than 3 years. Like 4 years? Yeah, 4 years. And yeah, the whole thing, like, yeah, they kind of look brand new, but I know if it was paint per se, I have a feeling that problems would occur. So I'm gonna say, if you want to wrap something, wrap something that you know that, like, wrap this, like, just wrap something like this. Don't, yeah. Well, no, don't wrap this either. But yeah, you can wrap something like this, like something that's not like painted or anything.